Hi everyone, this is Kenny here, and today I'm at PJ SS2. I'm at my favorite porridge shop in SS2. When I stay in PJ, I used to come here quite a lot actually. So let's go. The porridge here, the famous porridge here I like is their pork porridge, and they're actually famous for their pork porridge as well. There are a number of seats inside, and if you want to see outside, so can, no problem. Extensive menu. This is my favorite porridge place actually, Tasty Porridge. I'm in the SS2 branch. So I usually come, I order this mixed pork porridge, so everything is inside. And the filling is enough for one person. So you can add on, sometimes I do add on this here. They have many branches. I see many branches, but the nearest to me is SS2 last time, and I used to come here a lot. So they come with the instruction, okay, not to stir the porridge frequently lah. Don't stir. Comes with free condiments here, as much as you want. You can put this as a black. This one I think is oil. I think, yeah, oil. This is the fried garlic in oil, pepper and black sauce, soy sauce. This is their standard serving. Quite big for one person. So you can see the pieces of the pork meat here. And the meat inside. They have different pieces. And this one I think is the intestine deep fried. Very nice. So you're supposed to add these condiments. Let me just add some. Add as much as you want according to your taste. For me, this is a must-have, and I like my porridge with pepper, lots of pepper actually. Not too much until it kills the taste, because the taste of the meat, right, is the most important. What's the point of ordering pork porridge if you can't taste the pork, right? So we put a little bit of no need just the garlic, the onion oil. So I just put a little bit of pepper. This is white pepper here. Soy sauce, maybe a dash of soy sauce. Yep, that should do it. And mix it up. Mix it up. Don't stir it too much, it's hot. Okay. Alright, that should do it. Put it into a bowl. It's easier for it to cold, and then you can have it. A small bowl, and you scrape the top, only the top, because the top is the least hot one. Maybe not enough pepper, but so you can taste the porridge, then you can also taste the meat, right, that's go into the porridge. Porridge is not just a sick people food. It's very nice actually, this porridge. So if you are around in SS2, come to Tasty Porridge. Their signature is their pork porridge here. Or you can go to any of their branches. Just Google the branch closest to your house. Just go there and try. I'm sure you will love it. See you next video. Bye bye.